Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to prepare a natural remedy for home hair lamination. To prepare the mask you'll need a teaspoon of liquid honey, 1 egg, a tablespoon of castor oil and 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Mix all ingredients. Spread the mess over the entire length of your hair. Rub your head with polyethylene and a towel and leave for 40 minutes. After the time, wash your hair in the usual way. To maintain the effect, the procedure should be carried out regularly once in 10 days. This mask will give your hair shine and beauty, as well as strengthen and nourish the hair structure.